Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Ludo King game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Once you are within this page, if you wish to change the language, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, which will open up the settings page. From this option, you will see the language menu. Click on the drop-down menu at the right side and you will see the various different options that are available for the game. Click on your desired language and now this language will be applied onto your game right away. You can come back to this menu at any time and then change your language to whatever you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within your Ludo King game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.